Emraso say yadi midfield action no ebro bia baby a wo bia wiase afa na nyina e mo nyina chi cheche bia eba agudie mu nsem a free Kesben television afidie so ebra baby a wo bia saso na free Kesben radio 93.3 yadi ebremo ene anopay dien ena free zenra ye betra se kopem na anopay nsem fro ben ena aba ayene mo betwetwe ho nkomo ni nyina no ya bwabwa no ayede ebremo Tony Montana Trasi Eddie Amanonin Samno Ebebrain 0507168557 0507168557 and only SMS line for messages numra na yenfim kakra emfa emamo Muhammadifa Facebook no mo live on Facebook near facebook.com/KesbenFM put in messages afa Eddie Abrain na yakenkan Eddie Mamo YouTube dey youtube.com/KesbenTV Modifa WhatsApp, modi videos, I hold messages, I hold efa WhatsApp, and WhatsApp videos, I hold no. Mo line no ye 0244 2639020 0244 2639020 and on the WhatsApp line no. Monfa Emre. Your Twitter handle no at Kesben Sports M at Kesben Sports M. Sounds a bit more here live. Twitter twitter.com/KesbenTV. Monfamra nafi yenhwe. But ma download Kesben FM app no so Play Store. Na hoso what me ahwe na what here live baby a wo bia. Okay. And Tony ha chance yen kono na yenhwe the odi every and anope. Mo nyina akwa babio eba program yi eso. Enra na manfo nan team from din this Chelsea ebelusu na Uncle Banisa ebinum say yes struggle minimum de Chelsea struggle Tonzana won
scoreline and the man yes sir scoreline
1-0
yeah 1-0 but yeah chances there by so many chances so many chances yeah
one goal attempt serious attempt
true obebeka Chelsea struggle scoreline no into the cancer
yeah
but we be on say Chelsea pretty chances pa
who matches are last minutes
scare biaba yeah
and Madrid you would see how many gradada
and
the struggle just na wishful kakra wo animu honom yeah pimko akobia yeah e ball no na ka 2-2 aka man for so 3-3 ya boy de yehu e de kwakosi that cancel him for and about boy and the match so and then Arsenal and Liverpool big game any other games I don't know ebe koso sorry baby I dey Bremo UEFA asmo de betudwa if a Manchester City no be any say Man City ya ban wo mo you me frakansi BM for about 2 years and go ban say cast over any ruling no na penifo bebre aba chechromadwu ho Jose Mourinho say disgracing so verdict na Babontino sanso energy club nso kasemben e de afa ho ene nsema hodo abebre I no so aba de afa ho ye bafia e bewura club so Asante Kotoko circle so mo se ya Tony mo se say
on say
omo kan circles ni na mo
yeah
okay and umbrella bako
yeah one umbrella
okay and almost mpere
yeah
faithfuls no way Kuma Pimfo
don't
no way others
yeah we know msana pet nana kwa minka
yeah debi okay and then me dey say we na kwa me dan kwa kasa na eno so sensem kakra e ho Ghana Football Association ESCO no a committee enra nsebe na e bitimi no mo atwetwe ho nkomo a e pie firi mu e bae ye ni mo share eno sanso na clubs ahodo no nsema ahodo bebre e koso e ho ni na no e bobo mu ho enkae faudi bra na fa beka ho enanso no e be cha de enra kwan memma ya nche credit no
ena mi susu se enche 2 kra yenche 2 ai
2022
ai
okay
it's bitimi drop bi
anya bad
initial stages of the program na latter part of the show ya sa drop back
okay
until be any option say obekosema na feed na da
okay you know yenchiro time yede beba
debi ni nyina de yenchiro
ya tum time
bia
o kasa ya akra be
ai wetin ba kwatum
na yede abante no an say bo charge man am say disqualify no as I no nim too much me madam football charge
yeah you disqualify no
Where's that one?
Oh, on Lancashire Crano, we are sure so better say because. Remember the obey example. Time I would just want it was 3 no. Obi and can you one cast my mom say the imagine I'm okay. Intimi be mama others.
Okay.
Also
the boy man
on yes sir. On yes sir.
Okay. And the boy baby I will be a bit pa. We never go. Na yentuaso. And old drop every hifa. And baby we don't mama for clue na. David. We will pictures be airful. I want to make simple.
I want to na one kasano. Wadara mo de mama bisa okusa baako. On say what can managers no mo comment. Man City cast ruling no. One kasano comment. Ebeba
enchekra
na de me meditia
yes
de me meditia
no kre anedi
okay
na ye de bedi clubs nyina na anase ye hwe nimu na ye de ruling ne bae bibia ye clear say Man City e say mo punish wo nti di nti na cars omo nyema man di omo di bi hu omo ye o
okay
ubetuma for points bebre a obegina so e de akase enye fair clubs nini na no sa na just a fair play rule name first
financial play
yeah why na de bo agodi no
they been to fa new bia
Tony Yankwe
enti ho na me sha say the friend ra pre-match conference set me course managers na kasa na e betin sema club edit dwa Jose so kasa me kala teta de kakrata to and then Pep na kasa ba bontin so abata ke managers a omo e box rule om de ba bontin omo bom chi no and one cast a pep and so bad.
That's on the Fivaro.
Inti and I'm the shaman. Okay, Inti managers no.
I'm happy that City can play Champions League next year because if I think about the league and City has 10-12 games less, I don't see for resting players. I don't see any chance for any teams in the league, honestly. And apart from that. I have absolutely I don't wish anybody anything bad and stuff. I said I'm happy that City can play Champions League, but I don't think it was a good day for football yesterday, to be honest. Just because I think FFP is a good idea. It's there for protecting teams, protecting the competition. That was the idea in the start, that nobody overspends, stuff like this. That the clubs can before the season can. We have to make sure that the money they want to spend is based on the right sources. Let me say it like this. And I'm on top of that. I come from Germany. I'm educated in a completely different system. The majority of my life, we have
looked at it and have decided that they haven't done anything wrong. So you have the two aspects that are really clear and transparent, and they're going to be in Champions League because they deserve for what they do in the pitch and what they do outside the pitch.
In relation to the decision, I think in any case is a disgraceful decision because if Man City is not guilty of it, I think to be punished with some million is a disgrace as a decision. If you are not guilty, you are not punished. By the other way, if they are guilty, you should be banned. So it's also a disgraceful decision. So in any case, the decision is a disaster. Because if you are not guilty, you don't pay. I'm not saying Man City is guilty. I'm saying if you are not guilty, you don't pay. You are not punished, even with a pound. I know that money for them is quite easy, but it's just the principle. Why you pay 8 or 9 million or whatever if you are not guilty? So if they are not guilty, the decision is a disgrace. If they are guilty, the decision is also a disgrace. Because if you are guilty, you should be banned from the competition. So my critique is not to Manchester City at all. I am nobody to criticize. I am nobody to know if they are guilty or if they are not guilty. My critique, of course, is for the decision power. Maybe they are.
We should be apologize because, like I said many times, if we did something wrong, we will accept absolutely the decisions for the UEFA or the CAS because you did something wrong. But we don't expect for Liverpool or Tottenham or Arsenal or Chelsea or Wolves or Liverpool and all the clubs are going to defend, but we can defend ourselves. We have the right to defend ourselves when we believe that what we have done is correct, is right. And 3 judges, independent judges, said.
Any summer manager, some more Premier League, no, so at the J.T. Jose can yet Georgian Klopp and kind of Mikel Arteta and kind of Beber crack, and so I Pep Guardiola, and so I manager Emma Man City Football Club. I'm first a club or sick and you see a bad day at the Emma Football Passer cast over 10 and UEFA for banner, and so edit to Man City. So then I'm Mikel Arteta by Sonadian. Or you is a Man City deserves a Champions League no on and off the field next year, and so 18 Asia can. Jose, whatever way, I'm decision a disgrace in no any time. Jose and so 18 a using of a pep about so there. One you know what that. When Susumpo say other clubs no ebe defending Man City naka say capable say omo enso ebe team e defend omo any ruling na any about point na managers no omo enso team e atuya na ye free soccer na ye monitor America tune Usain Bolt ono team age 8 medals Olympic Games and other Usain Bolt a granted extensive interview ne baba na ne picture about bunting for the first time no Olympia lightning no Usain Bolt cancel crowd e dey afane baba no so no dey on begrudging the banner and ya dear become bibias and the banner decided said on Tremrica and ya dear become because the banner study so Tremrica pay amount for Edward Usain Bolt about ya 6 oh papa na o Tremrica o din kwem na o just so many medals in amount for Edward no about ya stick into baba the banner and so team branch akwada here when o TV so Usain Bolt ne ba your friend said Lightning Olympia Usain Bolt baba and Usain Bolt as start ono enso eka wonsem and na pay dey bro life or Kesben FM and na fe Kesben TV so na pay na yanko Serie A and no Atalanta eto aso ehye 6-2 against Brescia na this goes this year Atalanta for Asia goes pa and 3 goals and Serie A omo enso etimi ahye na no and Gianpiero Gasperini no so e born Mantana ba so say djuma de omo enso etimi aye biye pa omo head mu say omo game any PSG ebetimi abo UEFA Champions League quarter finals Atalanta for and so ebetimi qualifying ten match no dress rehearsal preparation omo ye action Paris Saint-Germain game and so ebetimi akoso na according to Mundo Deportivo omo update on Neymar almost say Barca focus one and so open Neymar den the Barca for forgetting according to Mundo Deportivo no almost say Barca for I well inside I have 4 players normally be call na omni sika attack so am PSG and so a team isolated players epena players din eba bonten I Felipe Coutinho, Ousmane Dembele, the Mosquito, Samuel Umtiti, Ivan Rakitic we any 4 players I'm a Barca for I will inside de bako ebeko na di scan attack to of Neymar da Silva Junior ono enso snaka ema PSG enso ebeko na Gary Bale Madrid airborne match not stance nima na odin semnu no di agro the ba and say next year still Gary Bale so na wasi aka ama the White Angels ni na say covid obi ni ho a Gary Bale a week sika urgent team be ni ho a aya holding say enso ebetimi atua na Daniel Ceballos so a bolon why am the player obo ama Arsenal mo enso boboko no say Arsenal for epedia person mo nya ni on permanent basis ama plan ni si akan one Joshua Mutua 23 million pounds and son Daniel Ceballos so team abebon ama Arsenal Football Club enso eboboko ni entian and Valencia any Real Betis so team actual interest enso pesa player obo ama Arsenal on loan and Hakim Ziyech no so entire appearance and Stamford Bridge ball ni nyanko man Chelsea new player no Chelsea game man any Norwich boy Chelsea share kabako Norwich City team anti any image yeso Kesben TV so and then enso anope na Robin Loftus to chicken so Chelsea enso midfielder or say Chelsea for 2 games aka destiny ekicho wankasa some bet team qualify for next year UEFA Champions League was here back also charge for 18 and say and you can say elusive concentration also focus our games are airborne na team manage pressure as a Chelsea pressure kakrebi bo so na consider team manage pressure there and ya there Chelsea be 0 points my Champions League for next year no akwakoye dem kwan bia so omo enso ebetim qualify na enran Ashley Cole so not TV so church na adwin bia enra Chelsea game omo share ka ba kwa Norwich ntimi anti so obesere next week game man I'm Liverpool any Chelsea ebebo or say obompa say a day before the game or say Liverpool players no omo kwa 90 club na bi omo konom se kakra na mo performance no before so meko park no so po na eno enso etim abofom ti Jock Hilly ano no enso etim ekansa na Jadon Sanchez is obesere Manchester dia only on one condition. Some Manchester for Enso ebetim a qualify for next year UEFA Champions League. No kwa any idea ba betim a convince so no Enso embassy akan enfa eman ama Manchester United monso football club Sergio University of Manchester omo ebema Rashford honorary degree into be Dr. Rashford.
Dr. Rashford.
Yeah. And the more off the field no asoni yipa
200 million pounds.
Sergio wa ye juma kwala na ye juma yipa.
And or the feeding pa. And that's some ketwa.
Until no matter what age, or you don't want society to be abaso.
University, no, almost say this is the first time or more. And then when you're in fear, educia back on 61 years.
Wow.
Na Tony, my young say you show your venia grokra. And then when you're 61 years, or Brofedu Edumasa.
Okay.
Madam Ismailina Edu. Okay. 61 years. Madam, you were so happy birthday. Nakopon fa mfi bebre enka mfi ho na omao hoden sika enso a title ne munyam. Favor sonko nakopon fa ma. Favor.
Amenya na kuma so ade.
Pa bia eno na se dinkai. Nakopon ma obi wati Ismailina Edu. All right. Maminko Alhaj Baba Shai ho na mencha ni wi yare mbakwa miki ho na manfo hu say Alhaji ewa ha na Alhaji boko de
Sergio nyamitu die
ede yankopon asepa inshallah ene papers no mienu na eba
Sergio mienu no se kura no penfo bi si o menu ba besim kunwa sabia kurufum Fadika Wuta enti o monka
Nana Sekovi. Also oba
no no besim kunwa
said ye
say ai sabia kurufum tito sport o ma bi machine so wonte nenka na Alhaji ya Jibril so say Fadika Wuta wonte no so nenka
opeso de
ti so mo say ka wo consider the menu bi ka ai saran ka no mo pese menu pe saran mo do mo request na ka French for
the bibia na board this is your board no transit Chineme ngwana take decision maybe a chairman keke
yeah the French phone kuta
paper cho this is your board no transit
mate
na fe you take a decision why Mr. Opa
the French phone they aka trepe
we person say bia leaky manya bi
people emu de yan pa cho
okay we dem kwaba
se you me people ka be me nwa na Mr. Bosuwana
the most hard to folk cemetery computers na ba with the
computers aka triple na okay with the corporate
me kwaba
say you say we awan kan ho
okay
oni kwase me kan mo asem kwase ira
me kombra
ira meka beba
okay tibemu general useme ntoma beha
okay
what do you mean tibemu
mentoma beha
yes tibemu
mentoma beha
yakati tetina GTV ni so ade
mentoma beha na se we twa benaba na obi pe bi na wo ton ha
na sa media ni just one no
anti okasa o se me jisu se mentoma beha okay sanete
na sembia di wonde
asembia no ba we bia na se we si di asemba
o mentoma beha no se zenye
mentoma beha
what do you mean zenye
mentoma beha
yes
that's it
I can see how you be later
I can see okay mentoma beha
so who ye dey
nyame adom now so e the nyame ase be fine ai de bia am de wasem bia wo kan na ma tie nyum ne sa na mba betrim ba hwe mani ma na hwe TV ne so za
so no rabi so direct this here tinu so direct this here mtimi
nra doctor bi o konfanochi ohun mi no se hwe miti doctor ni ti so pa
o se wo hwe niti
me hwe niti me hwe na me se ai oyi ni ma doc o pa o sa me ho
o
konfanochi no se utrewe tira de bia general de ha adwini na bia je media no betina dia doctor ni ti su bruta
your friend say wabon di ajo
ombodi di ya na mo no hu ye o come ki na trewe na general
emergency one
Ben say Ben bibibi o ma shishi ayo trewe na general kan wa shabi dia no Max shabi dia general me say akwa de obetra o de kai usa crown tv the pilot
bidum tizu
chako fana chifu nyina general o ka sembi wo say senyankopon ma adepachewa senkyereni biom Ben na wo pe ope wo wiase
wona nam asofo
so yenyema general
open
senkyereni eno mi wura Ben's department no be the mask no kata mini mask na de share hone no be de share mi ha nyema nipa general yende nyame ase nipa ahyehe nipa oda sori na one city kwan ko to
de ko yo ngofo mu wura ho pie ba su te senkwala
general me de me say I can't watch it because me ntimi hwe ntimi de mask no kata ma say na so sa me mu ni ekọ ewie sa na me de pie general yende nyame ase
yenu krepa
then me and then I'm
asking. Papa say oba form na humble, time bia na say o visit our places.
Of course.
O na yinti was our places no. Na hu say nipa no ye nya hwe.
Tie ba na me ka che ai so they also ha na ekob na kese. O say ye start program na ekob na kese. But ye start program na ekob na kese. Ti me ka ekob na kese na emu. Ye ba na me ka che nyeme koso a general akwa ba ko ekoto no ho. The nine Kura Shishino, the no just 50 Ghana, I did be Kuru no. Omunye be found back into the 9 April
50 cities.
General, I swear, moi, a more French and one more General, and Sanchani baby now pay
50 cities.
50 cities in the Mukuru. They are not getting it. I'm a Kurune Pro, the 9 April. General. No me real Kofanochi me real we but doctors no omo boasa bo me do level ben omo kire we ye ne ehwe no we ye ne eboa no doctors na do musika we ye ne ehwe no we ye ne ehwe no we ye ne ehwe no tenu a nsenchene sa
doctors na mfufu a omo ankasa sika omo say no ho
ye pie na me hu bako no ye boa ye sika ye pay na ejero and one ye dey
because wo ho ne kanwa
wontimi you know asanyo mini de pie so obo the nyankopon de bia daniel doctors ni na nyame show
mo choose so mbe
ye no nyamo mu
any sebi come wo nyina covid-19 by own doctors awu any doctors omonye
bi
nurses omonye bi
yes
yankoso
disanum de bia aboma me o se senkyerene ben na pibium ade achewa senkyerene ben na pibium so na dafo na mfo doctors ye mom nyina abaso yankopon mom ahode no mfanye adwuma amen
akola na yi na kosi say
akola na yi no mpembeso edu se no ayeko koye part payment because ekuro no
ometim de ashase
nti ekoye part payment e de momo a ombesi operation ase e de ama no
on e TV
on e to
akola no waka koko amani nua no ana no
nti on e to no nti se de mabanage no ho for now ne ba nyina hoshi
e de TV
ne ba nyina je no hoshi
ne ba nyina hye
yeah
wow
e ba ni so nyina hye
de mabiu ba no intimi nyina bi mana
e be gina doctor ne say chances of a ba no gina no e about 60
demo am hwe Kesben television e be sremo aza no pa we a kirem esremo a mo fanche pa dia kula na oti wo no ono na ahyehye sa obenkum
nti ya se da
chichira de no aye ko ho no na chese ya chichire so a ye share treatment no
ase dia ma no
diska kra mo de ba ya no dia ko shase ye yes adwuma no nti no enyansi esremo a e usa kula no ne ho eto no na saadi we kwame kasa na du bia na areho
nti yeko no so ye hunkofo bebra ye bebo mo so wo Ben's department nti on so kakra bia de bebo bia na so de be kan ye de no emso but bebia edu na no wo se kutua na ye ne ntem nti on so betimi ne kakra ba na de bebo 0245 759593 and any mobile money number no 0245 759593 nyankopo ma de chewa nsenkyere ni bie no
edin e beba so ne ye
Stephen Boateng. Stephen Boateng. Let us general start time decoder near decoder papa say
all right Alhaj Asai Baba mamra ho quickly na me sima o de ne say
o ma me 5
me da be me read about 4 so me turn the nam tell so dey so do de ne 4
and them so one kata mo
4 Alhaji Yonko
say you the news work akra
okay
Titu has camp
5
me da say say do me no kasa CCA has board of directors members and management members etika mu o move from our secretariat o de o mani kire obi mai o munya ndru kura o so mo ko na o makwa inspection ana so mo kwa sra contractor no edu o mani akwa adwuma contractor no de ma no
info na ko has info
board
okay
some board members and a management member
okay
first o sigi wono Mr. Friday Kamo operado ka ho and commercial manager
na mkwemo moko
Charles Squatting
okay
Mr. Frankenstein alaja kambi o nyina ka ho a o makaka kra bi no madu
mo ko hede ekoso
ne one has management aka kire coach ni ama odum say o mama na atwe mienu o mama 2 weeks o me de ama no players are offer full list and Brazil players to do say and person na players say na person no mo ye adwuma we no so me here wo mo offer list na mra
okay
o mama na atwe me say players say we na me person no mo ye adwuma players we me team no mo ye adwuma when former na atwe me no
okay
apart from that o ma sanction no cry say so fi say has a target ni say nyame adwo 2020-2021 person gi league no nti player we outside or no could niama odu nim say player we or be kind of squad ho abetima bom house of age league no say player or recommend say opena or be kind of benufo e be tono na ba be kan house squad no ho
okay
dey the hobium so
player body bi mo ko ba
player obebo on coach ni pe obebo di bi mo ko akoto no oh yes me nam ka kire o
oh Ghana.
Yes, of course. So outside Brazil, so already no outside you're 4. You're 4. You're Niger, you're Cote d'Ivoire, and you're Mali back, you're Nigeria.
I see.
It is almost so coach play be and Niger will be
coach o manager make us actually there. Now we are lucky you.
Nam catcher.
Say name player be ope. You want to turn bro. Wow. We are sure that's how they go.
Oh, say Joe. Asema koso no pay na me no ka fresh one.
But
so from gra
ana me pay emphasis ndina na yes
so mo man na otwi mi
mate
sesa ne ma mesisi nyina no onfa eni hu djuma
okay
pepe place a person no ya djuma mi hu
odum ka so pe justice blair o mo ko ton ten
se ko ka so
akamenko as goal
ye de ne beba
wow
ana bila manfo ekoso ho no masan no se onya ka masa ye de
beba wow hey
oh masa se coach ni ye wish nko dia na me kura de ko da Nabila no kura de wache ese coach ni kura ko kan Nabila
Opa Nabila no
ko ka Benford kan ko ni Nabila nkazi di hujuma
okay yenwe
ni nyina ma no 2 weeks ana contractor so no adwuma wo ye no wow enye easy se jo wo assassin ko form
alcohol
report na
okay
SCC
the report na uko huntindini
say you
report keke na uko huntindini na wa uko there minimum de besi
NCC and RCC akabe nyamba be 10 days pese ko before lion near die ni ekobe nearby
okay
tam no so meka kire wo tuko form assassin wo tu wo de ayi grader no wo de nya manpower o no kuta ayi pinkase ni wo tu na kwabra ne no saanwe wala tu wala se kafra enye sa machine na tuko base almost about 8 feet and na monfo shamre mo na wo chichire e fese ayo roso no so no wa nim tema correct one pa no mguso ye chichire se jo na se bre na se concrete ye guso a na se take for ni didani su se kurukuro se jo
e dai bisi ho dia
se jo bisi wa se medical kan as good so ko Africa na o so be training as I expect for the man kwai Karela ye be man kwai wafa ye be man kwai
aponche bapa na wadan na ndwi wa hai
se jo
o de to so
se jo wafa ye be man kwai olikura be man kwai we am fa ho
o ya no so ka so ba ho o ya no ka so ba
ase bia wo so be wo bankra wo ko na pe as for ai
o we ebesida
as fruit tef you pay dey pomi ma bro a
japade a
correct wo do afia ho
ko to japade has
wa kra na wa ba be request kra
o le to so
sejo mami ko french for na so ye o say we able to express
2 minutes oh yeah for 1 minute can ba ko bia we simple
la boussier et doivent la kepkos la kosoa c'est un semala c'est le tout la part popouiller c'est l'utilisation à bobouiller c'est do according to bon to question if you say drops the place in watch akoka che member say mo de ka boso me watch say mo antua maya league in next year bewe league in next year say the relegation zone no sana beko according to bon to question if you mo aye no mo antua sika na dia e be say bewe oui, abrier. Voici la terre, au diol me soit, à condition, faut le tout, trucation, la tout la terre, le monde, boussi la main, au d'incation. C'est tout. Has, faut office, computer, brand new, computer, me who be that, c'est à tout le monde, et gouba, brave se faire betobi, qui fait sa foi betobi. You find saying, nyina sitimu no karela fo aba bejibi wa fafo so aba betobi se jo mato aka mensa pe e de gu nkrofo no ho
kofo we
ka kwa se okotoko
as ne to computer na okotoko
say say okotoko say dem say ne say report by nyam na make ko to abriye say report by na yeso mo office ho no mo bo tatarata bi ne so tata akusia wo se sasura reference tata no atwekr ti ha se ton computer ne bi nti am de mensa gu kotoko mra mefa sa na paper no ka yasa ka mensa pe special wo mu de gu kotoko ho but abriye na ka
okay
se jo sa ka kwa se ho a wo se condition so na ha so be 65 anu mai be 10 de gu kotoko ho
kotoko mu nyama bia anto e condition has for office.
Say Joe, me paper I can't begrudge the paper. The paper is a brie, and a brie does not tell lies. You got to believe the ignorance.
I like to be that pay.
Say Joe, I can't last one.
Oh.
Say Joe, Mammy, I can't last one, my child.
Okay.
Mate, was a club to Ghana, club to Accra, Jean-Pierre Legon, Confédération. La visiter, travailler du Ghana à Djamete, la Corse, la Comois, Charbouté, monsieur. C'est que voici ceci, c'est FIFA Boss au Bakruma, the two most glamorous clubs in this country. Et Hassan Kotoko. Bashaka, bien si quoi ça. Bashaka. Na, on sait, Cobrin, Bobois, Cobrin Bois. Akuba, on m'a on est bon et channel, ça n'est pas noka.
You have records near the area, so you have to go.
Record that some near
but you can't currently.
Not about currently. Everything na empamuda.
Sir,
I'm telling you, was a car for 1.4 according to La Proca, Saka 1.4 free.
The current performance, I got to go Africa.
Madame Catcher,
Kotoko.
That's what Bobra.
Nebra, we say current performance.
And yet for my some near car.
Kotoko has come to Africa.
Say Joe, who did you be patch on Yabutre? Will be J Prot. That's a one you prot, I'm way pay. You can't prot to force the fearful if you were from Range Chemukocha Center, Obekobi. And T. Kotoko Bra or Baguano. And the Kotoko was or Bra has a folk Baguano. And the house was until the two most glamorous clubs in this country. A house in Kotoko.
Omanene ambra as gold the two. What two? As gold the two. Verse. Pepe na dubakon abo afei ye ba behwe foreign stories no kakra na ye defie nsem no atoa moso ye mo nyina akwa ba biom eba midfield action kwa be miki hinfo na winning ye no
general picture of the day no what the picture bito so na obobo mu nyina na ka nipa 2
nipa 2
omo mu gina golden boy Abdul Razak
omo flank Razak no say golden the owa obi ehun no the one nifa so the one bonkum so na hifo
nipa mienu ene twaye within time a ode baaye nipa mienu no omo flanking no eye Sam Ayipe Sam Ayipe and Kwakuchere
yeah
yes Sam Ayipe Kwakuchere nipa mienu na de bae 0264 621719 0264 621719 0244 821014 0244 821014
okay.
Ronaldo Virginia Adaruma
Ronaldo nakopon inshallah papa credit no yansa aka nakopon inshallah yes Kamarat so Kamarat obono back kama pa but this week no into also Kamarat God bless you. Yeah, also okay. And also no. Franco Naru,
Sergio,
and Bamjo, wow, you have a number on Sankai, no. My assumption on Sankai. I say,
why, but number on Sankai. Debbie, me phone number.
Okay.
To where Bobo number was Sankai, no, my swati.
Yes, we feel. Naru, go.
Sergio, you're jetty phobia, ma'am. Mami shall say from this, I think that say nkrofo nipa bi na e wo direct benefit e de mani pa ne titire mo ahu hihia mo a ya na ya de to makoma so yi nti enyem ngonwa se ne University of Manchester say omo bo abranti e friend Marcus Rashford abaso na omo be mano doctorate degree, honorary doctorate degree, and interestingly he will be the youngest person ever at university no a man who had doctorate degree no, at 22 years. Yes, Alex Ferguson was honored. Sir Bobby Charlton was also honored at a point in time. But you can see you mabako semsa akwada wumfie dunu mienu. Omo bebono sa abasobono. And omo sem nyina ne say yes, university no was social responsibility. And omo gidi say ankran kra omo nso wodin to say footballers and stars and I don't know. Almost so social responsibility. Into we now we are not in for so bre only be for only be now omujidi says so mouse abas. But in fact it's the biggest award that university in bit media now be. And that is what they are going to bestow on Marcus Rashford. Rashford nankasa you be on growing up on na any more den kakra. Obi be say den tin no modesa abas born man. Obeka COVID ne ba no. Na uko UK wa ya no muko school a aban no the friend school feeding program no sem kwada no muko school a ye onkrofo bi a ye enroll you on the school feeding program chese omo papa no ma na omo wofo na omo guardians eni bi no omuko school a ya na aban no mo aduane di enti ekoba se COVID ni nti omo ntimi nko school mo fie no e chese wo nko school nti enfidi o na Rashford fatu no ho se sa na tie dia obeye campaign no raise sika edia feedi sa nkwada no enti one adwumako from Poverty and Food Waste Charity organization from Fair Share in a kabomu, and he was able to raise 20 million pounds sterling. Sika omutimi raise ye edi feeding nkwada omo Britain omuni eye aduane ebi edi. Now the interesting thing and say edru baby o feedi edru baby no and afed or start a campaign say ese say e wo misa nkwada ni school omo ofie de na nso so unisika first no kwa na bi o ma wofo no ekokoye kakra support omo no omo ko school na e feedi omo enei enye omo fault no omo ko school no omo ti fie nti aban ne nko so feedi omo then aban ne se da bi and or start a campaign on the social media who did eventually onya chance any prime minister SHI a convention my need abina gia to say whilst COVID is on, whilst the boys are home, they will continue to feed them. And I'm told say at a point in time abina gia to natures omaye voucher no unza voucher near the ma send their amount either a meal or something no printing. Now they call food joints now they are kwaji now about 3.9 million Adriani pieces and an way to supply, and they think that they would have to reward him. I think Sir Rashford are now other superstars. Our friend Crawford Betty, Crawford follow baby social media no your opportunity be here, they would have to do it.
Okay. May have me 200 million, I don't know.
200 million
pounds.
Pounds, you cannot raise here. Yeah, I mentioned 20 million, right?
Yeah, you mentioned 20
I think 200 million.
Yeah.
200 million pounds sterling.
Okay.
And it's raise here. And that is so massive. Also, in football world, uka 200 million. A crofo and shadow hunu bebriu. Say, Chroma, I see you 1 million pounds sterling. Say, yo, Sika here can was him. And yes, Kaketoa. So I think he's done well, and I'm happy for the university. So I'm also in that way. A very encouraging Crofwaka. Metie Pep Guardiola. Metie Jose Mourinho and a Metie Jurgen Klopp on court of arbitration of sports on verdicts the buy Manchester City appeal no. Ne din kan Pep GDA say esesa man for shase e a chopper Emma Manchester City. Esan say City for nkrofo kan sama enya nokure egu omu ho fi. So people would have to apologize to Manchester City. Mourinho say they are being inconsistent with a financial fair play no. Esan say ne ubetini say echina ubetini say no numpo de on tia say Samusi City who so sa brobe omunye boni bia adan no mo fine City. I think Mourinho didn't understand the verdict very well because omo verdict no mo say City who so sa brobe nemom omo twe omo so sentin say City for ne bra na UEFA adjudicatory chamber no investigating issue no City for failed to cooperate with them. Ebi amumfa we ma yemua enamumra omumua ye chro mu they won't respond. And that was why omufo said they disrespected an authority almost pretended over Man City for the nunti no mode sa so twene by. Club also say ono City co Champions League and hano because no crown slot that he thinks is good for the English game, but he thinks that they would have to be consistent. The number of
also a good for a good day for football.
A good day for football. Yeah, also the verdict is not good day for football. And so you know I'm trying the same thing.
Jose Mourinho say disgraceful.
Disgraceful. Me try the same thing say. The very foundation of fair financial fair play has been shaken by this very verdict. Because there were a lot of evidence at the Spiegel for the buyer, emails, a call, in fact, Sikankasa sponsorship no omunya omu akuntebo no mudekono. Oma peja yemfa se bianka kotoko MTN sponsor omu. Not as MTN maybe a kotoko 100,000 per month. Kotoko pese man krofo hu se sika e spend ye no. Sika no bebre free sponsor no bono. No ma ede o makuntebu ko no mo se yen e ade se bosumi bia MTN man e bia 300,000 instead of the 100,000. Eno ene ma hu emails ni ade nyina wonum but cast for no look ehwe procedure and crofo we faso so jo mami enhwe few matches if osimo 2 minutes
about 2 minutes
okay good and Chelsea for me were not so exciting but they did the needful. It was a game of course Norwich for and say game now team say enyanwa say they are already relegated. The entire 90 minutes no omo touch a ball no 4 times e Chelsea penalty box. The entire 90 minutes in the box of Chelsea, they tagged the ball just 4 times. But go no creating so yeah Dema Chelsea. Most of the time they were at the back.
Now we say nipa 11 in go box.
Most of the time they were at the back, and it was so difficult for Chelsea to penetrate. But at the end of the day, Olivier Giroud rose to the occasion, and for me, as after COVID, Olivier Giroud is rejuvenated. Yet so mama contract extension no. Na ye nipa ni bi nwa kakra. But I think say or Treze or deserve it. The pass itself from Pulisic was so inviting, but under normal circumstances, no centre back and a bemabo we sign because Giroud crabo ni muase. A number of centre backs be so up in born and sana Giroud and no nechiwo, but you give the credit to him. Mekai Chelsea for Olivier Giroud. The analysis was that Ushe Premier League mo team so mu peja ball at the 2 penalty box no. At that time, not Chelsea in the crossing ball power a penalty box, but no bia into me heading share. So they went for Olivier Giroud, who is tall and very good with aerial balls. But Obayeno goes no share that by from the headings. But one of his trademark goals or Shedima 3 points in me.
Chances.
Yeah, was set chances. You know Giroud. Nitino ne count. And the from now, yeah, and a number of clear chances were wasted. But I said, the 3 points, the most important thing, Chelsea has cemented the third position, no, at least for now. And then Arsenal, Liverpool, not so much, and they at stake. For me, the only motivating factor for Liverpool will be, say, you per se year now, after 30 years, your J League, you know, yes, are breaking record as most points. Already they have 82 points, 3 games to go. And 3 games, you know, a game involving Arsenal, a game involving Chelsea. Say, any break, said that ambition on there, then they will give Arsenal a tough time. But I don't see Liverpool beating Arsenal.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
How many points now?
I don't see them beating Arsenal.
Oh, sir.
Even the last 2 seasons, Queen and Emery told them, yeah, netting, draw, yeah, no,
okay.
But when him say Liverpool and share Arsenal. My dream say is good for Chelsea. It makes Liverpool motivation and the break the say or boni gidi pa etia Chelsea never from because the moment they don't win, record the 7 every year.
Obiso de a free angle be enable. Say Liverpool ebe say Chelsea ama ebia Manchester enya tough phone. Omunye da. Kofi ebetuma si obrofunu. Una wonye sa anywhere ni na ro kan o say no anya no cry ni obi say the rivalry between Manchester and Liverpool e ma mo nyiri o mo Chelsea Man U ntimi nwuram
those rivalry yes existed but most times na manifested by supporters I'm wondering how whether Liverpool chairman and I say join your club could not place then me say match we go there man share
I bet take phone bia I nyanza o mago di money a place na e bona
na place no do unu say
e bi na gira ko ma pass
oh Chelsea am Man U agile the usher ball now clearly he passed the ball to Drogba
okay
e bi fi Senegal e bi kwa unu na chi bi kwa support Manchester but ejuma na dey na kupi o Liverpool. And how are you going to communicate that? Obe can say na actual players and I come na so be can chiro no. And na football so people back on ebo. And the panama okay emphasis back home on there or time and Manchester to the extent say Nicolas Chelsea to nya no about to say na goalkeeper you na then striker no so my way just say back on striker so question 3 goals and when they win. What must I say? So I find these things as very very difficult for anybody to execute.
Okay.
And also no. We Man U fan. And for any to say Liverpool be Chelsea. I'm a United a rat of all.
You are doing free so.
Do John what was here? Who need GDA? Man who say Chelsea beat Liverpool.
No. I'm discussing here.
No, but discussing.
Why not?
Oh, GDA say
I don't know what to mean so. So see Liverpool winning at the motivation of form. Wow, I know what to mean so.
They are not motivated.
But they are from a different angle.
Very much sir. On mo born saying. I'm saying say it's a possibility say Chelsea beat me and win.
Okay. Into Chelsea winning I'm obi
for that. But show me team say Chelsea go say Liverpool and I say because Liverpool person Manchester Bentina
or Manchester supporters in this supporters.
What was I show me team dey be asa.
Ebi na rook.
And I know but now o must say jubilate. O ka dem catch when Chelsea and Leicester lose here. I say jubilate na say no man lose then Chelsea Manchester so mo ko akoshe mo match no. O say oh say jubilate ni 20 di kan jubilate we ya na we so ba na jubilate.
And how wrong was that?
What I say?
How wrong was that?
Enti de bia no o mo share on mo ko. Wo ayu wo nsem. You don't have match.
Yeah.
You don't have match in the circle.
Okay.
For him to say
all right. And so but me can ma sense to build Kofi say possible.
Then
say Liverpool say omo be Chelsea ma Chelsea e bia omo free na Man U akowuram de
they be see okay they say Liverpool anya a team dey onya dey kra no no ko bona cheso ko ja no ma
oh men cancer and so possible but the other one is possible the other one is possible
me say we so share trum say
but obi anga say e fit
obi anga say he is looking at all the possibilities
now we found there
when am the shape the Chelsea bit match
okay you must say look at Krabi na yeah
for the akane the akase say and they say obit me why you don't know about no community service no or render sa na wetimanya knighthood so omu a see wa join do mu no say Bobby Charlton or United say Alex Ferguson or United omu mo je sa doctorate from University of Manchester Joe they've gone ahead to be knighted so on the mention by omadjuma onumaye And I'm saying, say, Rashford is hanging on England in GBB, on your BB count. No move from doctorate degree at Daman Hono. Na omo night no. Let's wait back on the Nuka Ballon no you know Hong Kong. Na Manchester players on Koji Ballon d'Or. And they are more pet off for Abu. From focus so and Fanco. I'm happy for a campaign or launching,
Yo, young Twaso and so Kakrai. Na edi modi da Tompu ana. Tompu. First class Babren Salnatonsu Monaco. Kudos to Chelsea for defeating Norwich last night. Hopefully Real Madrid will win tomorrow. Mario Nkarie, Kesben Sports No Size, Theophilus Ablekuma and crying. Theophilus. Theo say Cristiano Ronaldo will surely win the Ballon d'Or this season. Pius Edwefi Ghana Bakwaso, I'm pleading with the new Asante Kotoko board to settle the Kotoko accident victims. I was so sad listening to Obed Owusu. Yaba bitie Obed Owusu simodi tu bia na enchekra yaba local stories na. Buhari the way free Achim Kwabin Zongo. Chelsea will definitely make the top 4. 2 days more for cast verdict. Mr. Sepama, do not be afraid because the Lord is with you. Kebwadi enedi we aba. Coincidentally, interestingly, Mr. Sepama so the Assembly Kakotu Twitter, okay. Osekoku Pama. Also saying a horse is prepared for the day of battle, but victory is of the Lord. Proverbs 21:31. Hashtag God has the final say. Hashtag P for P. And also, I don't know, a horse is prepared for the day of battle, but victory is of the Lord. Proverbs 21:31. Hashtag God has the final say. Hashtag P for P. Ose Kokupama. Oko ni Twitter wa mpacho edaho kama pa.
Teacher, boy kakra.
No mean him. Oh, no we dey say we dey clear. Be enim. A horse is prepared for the day of battle. So we dey clear. But victory is of the Lord's. Proverbs 21:31. We also a Bible. No kutu. Musumoko sorry bia Sunday bia.
Yeah. That is Ponkono. Ponkono
na o ka sorry be fine.
Okra de guy. Ponkono yesiesie no.
Me fere ma ba.
Now you go. Yesiesie Ponkono. E de ne twen e da na akon no be ba no. Ne nkunim de ewo mu de.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay.
The horse is prepared for, I think, the battle.
A horse is prepared for the day of battle.
Yes.
But victory is of the Lord.
Yes, obey literal translation. The implied one could be there.
Yeah.
But the literal one is a Abua Ponkono, yes, no. Ede train da akonu no.
Okay.
Na akonu dura in kunimdie wumudie.
Yawada if yada no pa king na cast Edward Rule no and so aba you ye train the
that's yourself Kupama no prepare no bibia train nemum de be free ma ba nyamiasa
minim said the other side is prepare minim
they say
also prepare
the also we be preparation oboabo bia say we bia
for example who order that say ufiri ho na eba ma prepare
we dey nyame
masa what dey make I know me say who on the other side and the Bible go meeting grand you be bana about meeting no
e be do fiada time na cast version me dey so bia bet na the computer who say so
no train
so the omeya ayo media release for the media but no nye detail to say the verdict na so be say na ma parties no nti my in some parties no obi be bia the computer to say correct amount not ho
o no refresh
so be no o time 10 am wa let's be Ghana 8 o'clock nti abo be 7:55 no akota computer no no check it o check it
so mo ka say 8
so when you say no si am no ka say o ma decide heavy
okay
si am no ka say
o ma take decision
It's just communicating to you, and also yet to say Ghana. We are not leaking. And Friday, you know, panel, and they beat me.
Okay. So you be a mental sense. I would say a case involving Parma and Ghana Football Association.
Okay.
Parma versus Ghana Football Association. But that's executive council members, you know. I wish I had your body. Sir, almost Ghana Football Association. Free. That's executive council members, you know. I wish I had your body. Then I was on my years and I was on phone. Kibikra Kibia Mountains be.
When the other man say you foul strong defense. We are Ghana Football Association. You foul strong defense, and the Ghana Football Association believes we foul strong defense. The
only things that some the bar executive council for na shut down.
Kwa Mickey bet translate the local stories na Brian Sakra na Makako Farm commercial edin kan aba Moreno Edway from Tonsu Station Moreno Fast Food. Congratulations to Chelsea. Is it true that Santi Kotoko is offloading 9 players? King George Dwefri markets as gold can never be better than Accra Hearts of Oak currently. And no more time. I'm interested. I know Hearts of Oak supporters they as gold. And Accra the Ima and Ekai as gold CEO or say currently Hearts of Oak into me for and to as gold. Na yeka abakosem records they are fine. As Hearts of Oak IB as gold, but currently Hearts of Oak into me for to as gold. Kwembiaso. Emmanuel Frimpong should show Hearts of Oak respect. Wow. Reggie Roxon, Babrin Shopatonsu, congratulations to Frank Lampard and his boys. Yo, and also the Abba, I don't know. Kwame minim se why Kradwa, Wabana minim Wabetranho, all right. I am cra, I what's say, senior, what at all? Okay. Why and all had dream hey, come on. Why I had dream hey, when him say me programming, my moody na and Uncle had dream so. Okay. Oh, come on. Kwame, why Krado? Why Krado? I'm for person at the 7.
Now, okay, me man, Freddy
Freddy Beman.
Sammy send you with my
Sammy there.
Sammy I do watch it.
Oh, yeah, Sammy. Okay.
Papa B. Joe, I'm so about 80 years.
Okay.
Next say radio need to be
okay.
Na when say you know akokwana browado. Na ida 72 ene.
Wow.
And I say wishing happy birthday Emmanuel. Mrs. Philippa Obin Ade, away from Mr. Obin Ade, and when you're 72 years, no son of pay. Everybody answer wishing happy birthday. Same country they say for that those years, my in a job that's done.
Wow,
close to 80, 72. That's
done. All right, Sanso and a revenue do bafo Oasis of Love Church. We are a reverend.
Yes,
Nana Sekofi. Down for Pioneer baby. Into young wish you so happy.
Oh, yes. That we know do any coach over there. So the corner Sekofi or maybe no.
I reverend in Major Debbie.
Reverend with the
head pastor.
So only time.
Oh, Casimbi, very careful. Okay. Oh, Casai, careful. Head pastor.
I mean, some just say so only time. But don't pet time, no in your mind.
Who could tell Reverend Adibia and Pajo a tilapia fresh one? On one in God. Come with you.
But General, and Executive Council a meeting.
Reverend of 51 years in it.
Wow. Okay. Executive Council meeting and FA stimulus package, you know. Tight-lipped. Almost one Moncasa. Bianca Moncasa. Gise statement a beba. Almost so many statement baba by a tisse Premier League clubs in $15,000 and a Division 1 for
what to say
me mat to say
okay
Premier League club for $15,000
okay
Premier Division 1 $7,000
okay
and Esco Galka and so $2,000
Galka
body no $2,000 na me pe confirmation a free ESCO member ho
omwa
o se statement beba
omwa yes ndi do obenya bia ka memwa no
buanu kra
obenya bia na da to opo na da to ene me say we release ade bi na one wo ko page ni so na say hwe wa won kan bi wo kana sana ne konto ka wasem do nya bia ka ba mi tio
General intenu se eno ni se the city after ESCO meeting no $15,000, $7,000, and then $2,000 from the ESCO meeting. And no Kodancha, Ghana Football Association has sent the emails at the Aquacoma staffs of the GFA. Some will update you as to Obia data. Nti se we staff of the GFA ya send kratadia bro a form obefele o fele form ni wi a now the appointment letter aka ho ya appoint you as GFA worker no na the aka ho na acceptance letter o di aba wo so cultural letter de ko pay adwuma no na the aka ho and any relevant certificate bia won sa ka bia no so na the aka ho
amentias you say the no mo pefiri omo workers na omo hoda
workers no more than no
omo de ben bra
appointment letter
I the file adwuma
the file adwuma
efi ho
aye
we sure
aye
okay na dey biom
and a certificate o certificate o and so fabra on fabra and ya mo form
certificate be
certificate se bia na o fa me no na mukuta diploma se meye no manya degree account tiram de akwa se mo degree tiram update me de akwa account e de ama HR department of the GFA me pacho ono I can okay and no say the city and so e wo hom January ye to so consent from am House of Vogue January pobi mai wo mu ye adwuma papa
the metrifa we no ho no wo de no ho no me ti say almost say the HR department is creating database of all staff and officials. So they asked for those information. Okay, does that mean the president and ESCO members are also being asked to reapply? And penifon bako. Also, don't also be kafa hono. Just be a more reapply. So mo you as the you be ready na mon sign through application mon fasa no we nka ho na yenhwem ne mfa mo adwuma no ne sa ne te de mo ya kasa obia mfa ne de mra
obia mfa mra na mini bi
the property o mo mfa mra school for ka ho president na ka ho
maybe so
oni bia se na no wasem ana
okay
so oni bia say oni bi na to so we adwuma say
oh so you learn on the job.
Oh, come on.
And I been was
said
Asim
uni krata bia
but
and how to
my business juma and my expect juma now only my if that take decision yeah and then he said
the HR department and a creative database of all staff and officials and now almost personal information every including ESCO members any president no it is all because reapply doesn't mean say ESCO for reapply and every president will reapply.
Let me one question.
Me no busa say dey just mu no dey aba do the busa to busa to yet you afam yet you
oh there be so say
busa say no yet you
young trust
no I'm on 40
so say obia am update
information dey abrem say sia no na me busa say who was bia the busa
okay
the whole kind the information dey free if you abrem no
ada bro no
na me kan choose
dey no ento oh me see ento aso
okay to aso
ento aso enti January eno ne se de wo me see e de aba enti se no wo me see obia o GFA obia no staff bia no wo mfa on answer sa questionnaire no no on fa sa nyama no enso enka fambra ena no bibisa ena mbisa say past administration that time no be any file ho a sa nyama no ho dada na any question na mbisa say before this beba na fa ni ho a and na mpesim bisa January ye to so Obed Owusu was say when you accident da na when you accident and na bon si de via CCT dentina kotoko nya accident
language be
beba chotwi
intine
ba choti
okay Mikem say nya challenge kakra anti to aso na later ebeti why
okay
mini mi anhwe sa ayi ya first red go aye
the way
nyame o
me pacho enti eno ne nsem a wodi atudwa ewo ho eno koda nchen a jo ubeka kofi usu osina kan mabekum Chelsea oso gidi se 31st de nanado se wa sikwan no ama football mpanyifa kotana se ama football twemu a ombiem na nkwanchem wa mubobo no omusu ntimi mbobi yenwe se betime na kofi usu de na
me wish say ombie nyama bo na bo kuma de ache me wish say ombie to bia enema abrichom de guna kwemu so players mbedu so na maba na bedu aso din bia mbem o me nyesha sa so de bia mbem nti o sre mampani ana sre omwa I don't know.
What Genoa, and only somewhere a free obanti. But young idea be a bit to my back.
Even it's only for one. Send it here. And have this table was if you can't show this, they should do something to the other ones that never make a chance.
Young say no so a bit my bemo at the Amaya.
In case if you must send me back, and I can be the method to me say, we are from one type to connect as good or more. So I support my padia or so dim Pibone, digital, but it's never you are supporting team, but no say depressed nothing. And you're fine, what I say. There's a moody attempts on the bonus will never do it, not moving a package to nation. To Mr. Omasa, or me now, but Tremor Press, you found I don't tell much. Ain't I'm a part, and a criminal. About bit
and Nico the Coco Africa, what Africa Terrinuma advisement at the moment.
In the next time, say, so Mushia, I'm off now. Fancy Egypt, Morocco, so more big number. I say, I'm not some show more than 2 goals because one show more than 2 honor. Difficult. It treat me some more goals for with me.
When someone an apokuso edia tudwa so wo tu kotoko ne Ashgold for wa Africa na wo mo so ekono sansoro kofi wusu enso ekasa e plead with Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo so football no wonye hu bibi obedo wusu enso de tudwa se sa brede 3 years ni mfaso ben na aba mo promises a wodo a wo mo yeye so wonya nkwanhia da na obohu se de city e pa se eni pawum na nipa ba kwahwe ne nkwa na after 3 years bibia entimi emfirimu ensombaye jo yekọ Ashgold aso ya enne Ashgold players no wo me piemo champion clinic wo mo bakumasi ababe medicals shene so some medicals are Ashgold players in babeno COVID-19 enka ho wo mo nya COVID-19 na mum wo babe medicals are yedisi akan betimi aboa team ni papa nam COVID-19 abantino wo ma che team no every day bia 6 players ene be bakumasi timi ka say 6 players abakumasi agenua wo mo ba no metimi ababe yo mo medicals no enso ewo ho yenko National Circus Council no so aso ye wo mo si sabre nsemu ekokoso edefa aye kotoko nipa bebre na tetiomo na sese obehwa general supporters no ye wo kotoko faithfuls kotoko arena ye wo kotoko awareness kotoko kumapem kotoko sei NCC ne person mo ka mo nyina bom enunti wo mu kohie omo na wo mu kohie omo nyina no na ni nyina ne nipa 63 groups ana sese ewo Kumasi Asante Korokomu wo mo baye no emu miensa de genua wo mo sisa abre se ye be ko one umbrella party wo mo ntiase faithful force no sanso na awareness force derby and kuma pimfo wo mo so se derby wo mo sese ye be ko one umbrella dia faithful force se ye be ko one umbrella dia wo mo didie se dina ye fe ne circles no o se timi esesa di no asese no akoya asem da NCC no wo mo aso ya wo mo hwe kwan metima fa so na sa problem no genua wo metimi asolve enso edi afriom eno ne hihia eno so eda hom ye beto aso a na ye de ni che Mediama Sporting Club wo mo so aso ye wo mo se sabre enche bia no wo mo so ehwe se opportunity no ebeba na fe ye bie kwan to na teams no etimi a prepare ye papa ntu any teams a wo mo elko Africa no wo mo so mo gide se wo se Ashgold ene kotoko ye timi mo opportunity no mo timi prepare se teams na kan ye mo kwan a teams na o mo ko Africa ne o se timi mo bre no mo timi prepare ye pa no mo timi ko Africa no mo so etimi ekoya de Mr. Kobena Jemfi
ma yemfa eno enti hana yebeba ne abe discuss local stories no Kofi true so ya appointing new HR Effie.
Yes.
So yes. Oh, okay all right
because in the past the Ghana Football Association didn't have HR department and now job description kwa na issue kakra wo once obehunu bi ebi asejo laka say ye ikututu mfidia na jolaka ni yese yembe hostu sports na jolaka ni ka bi etimi yenkopia jolaka ni no so there was no clear cut we say if you obi akutunu the best obi a yere no but ejumani cut cross nti for instance senka jolaka rest so the beya fan na rekwa ko tutu video na jolaka na de ko video na jofran na oti baby so be gina ketua whilst others were overworking na ebi so dey no form and we decided to create the HR department to streamline these activities. No, be a
okay.
And the HR department is collecting information on all the staff and officials of the GFA to create a database. I know crime police data no be normal be. This is now no yam Mr. Kase employ HR by. If you also be for the certificate,
sure.
I'm to file so to be no page file say Jola Kania. You would have information about you.
Okay.
Obi ko join the GFA and say you be kwa no worry and they do a worry crowd. There's no information about that. Obi ko join the GFA, ebi no kuta degree and no kuta diploma. And then wako school akwa no masters. So you need all those things on Ibakwano. I don't see anything wrong.
The comrade yenhwe stories no enyina na top official bi won kran. On person me bonidin. And odi we enso ebre me. O say institutions do that, okay? Okay. Naro, ade minima oba ura ha aso attention na oba no so.
So much we
ade. Upe match da wan fa match am.
Me amini oba.
All right. Awada adari nuaba. Say da nuaba. Okay. Top official na me pese Kofi Mr. Momo adwemra ha. Me pese me boni din no. O say institutions do that sometimes to query the system. Others might have come in through the back door or got promoted without any basis. Okay, mostly when new administration takes over. Sir, at a time.
But to be honest with you, the basis of this, probably yes, if you are in collecting that, if you are not Omwadi 30 BP, but the aim and objectives of collecting this data, Joe will be made known. I
see.
Far from that.
Okay.
But I'm saying, say, it may be our OGG data, maybe a BBC IP nothing. But I see this until I will collect this data and create a database for all the staff officials of GFA.
Okay.
Will be made known by the GFA.
Okay. And here also, I don't know. Now, me go for commercials aba.
Okay.
Na me ba. Na Mami Modi. Mami Modi say.
Me say.
I na me Modi. What ba how we pennies say. We kese. It me Modi a.
Na I na me hu ade bi. Eno akwa me kasa akora bi epra.
Me ba cho Mami Modi. We Evelyn Insia Asare.
Okay, thank you very much.
Board member. Asisi no kotoko asem de o kese o buzaro gare no put
lecturer.
O pe be a fa kokra.
President. If you could be am pem.
Yeah.
And also a lecturer. Sunyane Technical University.
Yeah. And great. Me musa kotoko asem. Professor Dware ko.
And na me hu.
No pe match.
And na me hu. Video Facebook.
Yeah.
But anopa na metie. And so man hwe picture into man who the magnitude of Akrani pra. It's anwumre na me hwe Facebook na me hu say Akrani pra pa. Enti me so bibi kitua bi na me de boa. Say yemfa enka Akrani no sika no na. Yentimi any operation no na me pai bon so 200 Ghana. Me pai bon so ewo say nyankopon mo na ye operation na enya successful.
Okay.
Because
you see, Obi Otie radio and Obi Otie Facebook, missing that wall, and it could be so contribute to another from another person. Come saying, "Can you cry?" Evelyn, Mrs. Evelyn, is as I had.
Boss, ask Evelyn Insia Asare about a message I sent some time ago. And this is the message. The FA should help us on this. Why is a Women Premier League recognized administratively at the FA as Division 1? Documentation-wise, they need to elevate them to Premier and elevate Women's Division 2 also to Division 1. Because there have been motions and relegation between them over the years. The FA, in collaboration with Women's League Board, should restructure the first and second tier. I'm appealing to the government and the FA to pay more attention to women's football because they are really suffering. The second tier of women's football invest more than even the first tier, but they weren't recognized by the government. But fortunately for them, FIFA's intervention of $500,000 for women's football is a big relief for them. But I'm very curious on how the money will be shared. I suggest they should use some of the money to buy a bus for women's national teams. Emma Bob, what do you want to
Medasi,
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Medasi, Meda Mike Lassie. Mamenda, my family, so I say, Mr. Angelina in Siansa, Beatrice in Siansa, and Margaret in Siansa, Mitchell, and Papa, Anthony in Siansa. I mean, saw her on for program in the agro. It's a nano for Mitchell Munina. Mamma, there's a minute to honor. Okay, may buy American Tias, do like a sort shower. Otimisha was a hair, I want to know where through. Well, I'm saying, yeah, men can somewhere. Now, cut a woman have
Our Bazos.
Members of Becasam. There be men, how they are, men come
to cry.
You are car, only Mickey, but I read your unity even so the mamma cry. Oh, Philip Mickey, it says I'm here the TV are born a day, Mamma. Okay, you. And then you know I saw her. I'm a football, yeah. In fact, I'm happy, sir, my brother, my younger brother. But that's coming by Miss Albertina. Yeah, come because administratively, no, almost a Division 1, but almost just car. Yeah, first Division 1, no, and just car my premier phone. I see. Or Macas Division 1, no cry any problem with that. But some say Division 1, that's a Bebo League, that's a more Division 1 for 25,000 Ghana cedis. Why do you give Premier now? Must say Division 1 no 10,000. I had an opportunity of bringing this out. Emma, General Secretary, catch me say, "Oh, Omo Kadoson, Division 1 ne Kadoson chain." Okay. Madi, you know. Now Division 1 ne born National League. Once I answer the any zona, but me draw my attention the Division 1 the any zona. See our zonas bear 4 and 5. And I answer your zone. See, achiwa ha. Oni mrani munso kakra. Enyema bi se nyina nti na ye prese ye nko Congress. Na ye nko ye mfam brabonten. Na ye nti minhihye nyema ne ye. Na ye nye premier no premier. Okay. And I have asked several questions. Mr. Okreku Nyanyima no. I have asked some few questions. Okay. Edian ne take ansa na ma team ne yetimi abaye premier. Minim so atime question. And adian na be ma ye Division 1 because ye lower division no. Ye boka pa eti said the Michael Baby o eka no wo kofa akwara free na kura se ba sebe wote ne ma me nchan yanko bedidi ama na dibi but wo de na bakuma se baby am team ni wo no ma rent dan 3 years in football course but eden run nkan kire wo say 3 years in football course ntimi de achew wo ma maduane anopa awia ne anwumre e ma nyame boy yes no nko wo so me so BBC e wo so top hard ye de omuko school how many men and how many players and who so mo bobo o mo san ko school ye nkola no mo ko school me na me players nya most of them no e Kumasi girls enti baby amegina bia na MPP aban 3 SHS me bona baso in fact I'm not doing politics on your show but that policy at all no e ya de bia so me because I was paying school fees okay and the other day be me can say I'm a footballers no ye kunu mo be jayen because me contribute of you I don't contribute anything to the development of my children I don't have it minya ya na ya for player bi wapra first we ko eti me sure say yes stakeholder engagement na Congress na se no e bia achimu e be fire adwen kire na ye nyina ya chechire mu na ye di we ato ha na ye di we ato but me dey me dey say sika na buy na Division 1 for nya Ebenya because I'm say allege. Because meeting making one case or Tiffy Rubiano. No $10,000. And he said a man teams in a premier, they are so they are 20. A division 1. Not say a division 1, mamma 10,000. Say as you about $10,000.
Figures in the official in Yama.
Oh, dear, ready a baby, Mateku. Mate di ready a baby. Na yenso e wase ha no yenso yetimi enye
division 1 for be amfama.
No, I just want to contribute kakre. Of course, I'm not going to give out details of the meeting. The Ghana Football Association will release this statement and give out all the details. But I never come a person me assure and my club I've told him me was sound baby. Me say Ghana
who ban ntino so person no so
Ghana football. The women mobile system clubs they are known as elite women's club, not division 1. Elite women's club. That is how a TSC and to say Evelyn team no if you could be Ampim's team no on the old division 1
regional league.
But what I say even yesterday can refer to a team no more regional level as division 1.
Okay.
But what I say okay. 16 clubs no more fabulous ladies one no more elite women's club, which is at the level of the Premier League. Except so we
want Premier. That's it. Yeah, because so Manchester United Premier, Liverpool, in the other night they elite. Because elite
no Premier.
Premier.
Sir, you see. A brand.
So if you remember, I'm from Mabs.
The difference of woman in the church, I know, bra. Difference of woman, and they are telling one in the general. Difference behind him.
Martino, young friend, Black Stars, man.
Black Stars, man.
A brand in
yes, oh, dear.
Explanation of the
I have taken that. I have accepted it.
We team now on regional level. Division 1.
Thank you.
And almost 16 or national league.
Was instead of elite, no from Premier.
Let's say elite is ready.
Okay. Accident victims.
Oh, said 3 years. Me accident in this.
And I'll buy but it's been 3 years after our tragedy, and which resulted in losing one of our own to the cold hands of death. We will not try. We pray that his soul continues to rest in peace. We also pray for a speedy recovery to our brother who is still injured and the players. And also the baby say, may we Asante Kotoko SC or any other team never witness such a horrible incident. Hopefully, we can settle all the victims what is due them. The last part, and I made fire. Hopefully, we can settle all the victims what is due them. Minkase, what a Casacras or your Kotoko fan, and I would ask him to do.
As an individual,
board member.
As an individual, I am not speaking here as a board member.
Okay.
I am speaking as a Kotoko supporter. I am speaking as someone a Kotoko Lusu match 2000 House of Folk sharing, and Naya by 2 weeks now. I person for man bomb payamano. I am speaking as someone a work of Morocco be share waha. Now I have to walk from stadium to Bokrom Wabra na yede kaba. 3 years ago I didn't see me ankasa as an individual me koho. Eko share papa no.
Okay.
But na because of the state and no woman in Tiranya de obi home. Because ko share me these stories and so chisa. And I'm a follower. And I'm a follow bra yinya 3 years and comments ne ade eba.
Comments eba no.
Enti comments na eba no na eye me marry ho. Because unimi pa una training me. Fox FM. Unim said there the idea ma me say menya na me pese me ya ade na man yi. Enti me hwe from that time no be si nne say obi ahwere ne kunu o ma. Anytime be a situation bi ba me de me hu gina. Na me bisa say me nam call ya me kunu na call ya sebe enko chichire enka me yede because my life is Steven. Everything be I is Steven. On a minimum. It is enko no enti no na me reflect on. And ma me edit tweets and I've also maintained as one person na me pese team be anya good bass even women football. Enti no mo na me ka fuaye. And ma me the tweets say e mas ade ni CBM. Last season before I ever truncate league no Northern ladies on benya accident and obi minim baby ani pakronya me number de ni si ya na ni pakro frɛ me se mutim ba akonya accident na me se menye premier league chairperson but I will communicate then I have to call them but say yenya bus kama ma teams ni nyina ya were be ho hwe kotokwa na okita bus kama asem ne si ye ba ko wi eti sabe yenya man ye de sprinter ni sa ne man no kobo ball no ufu se de ne be si
Evelyn my enti obedo usu tira ha ne enti obeko sisi ai obedo usu ma santi kotoko samre na na nyasem ketwa kra yenti asema odi tu bia sa ready ma Evelyn wa ha yenti de papa yi eka player
but I don't know how unyas that I don't know so be any bigger what testing that even it will for one send it here and have this table was the if you can show me say they should do something to the other ones that how much yes never make a chance so be all be him say they are in case of accident insurance that they give it to in case if you must send me back and I tell you and you make a chance sit down and see and you make a chance they should do something they should rather do something because we will apply our 15 minute class for the injury or back to me say not here or the injury who say any per year then a paper if you say yeah from a car it's never make a chance this among someone class somewhere if they think sir I'm for him as everything now it's fair enough I'm for someone no go be so God bless them
into omo feel say omo nya bibia masa accident victims here God bless them asoma player all can and no omo ba sante kotoko no enye yare sei ene accident sei ene pra sei na omo edibae ode na ofu na omo ko na sei na omo de kodia na se musumu nya hwe masa accident victims here God bless you asma player no all can no
pathetic statement na wa making but the meeting akan na na se onya abotre otimi atwen fie miensa nti onya abotre me one person me ntam pese me kama se me hia me no se bia me ni obi o issue na radio set me pensa but they be a situation bi nti na ama omo yesa no
okay
eti omo de omo hwe yen na omo hwe de nyame betimi ayamo because ye mo 1 billion cries e jo me sure say they were na mfa ne ma de oyari say why incapacitated that intimi resort no but at least e bia omo ni beje enti omo de omo nya abotre man so omo de omo nya abotre ma kotoko
okay
because omumpa enka omumobo makotoko ade a wompe na wompe me sponsorship kra na has of folk for some be mbia ye difficult ma me se meje me pekotoko wu sanso na minim se players no pekotoko with omadwene ene omu bibia they are one family enti ye de omu nyina be ba ye nche obi a waye adwuma e wo kotoko akobia no we are one family mo bia mfa yawo emfa nche because me Evelyn me de ya o hye mu obi ho a wan hwa de metimi aye nipa kro no nka se ye me nka se me ye nipa nti no wo ya ade a na masere na mekọ na me refi eti me de stopper ma wo nyina sese kotoko aye bibi no mo ani anje a yesro mo omo fa nche ye na omo hwe ye na ye hwe de nyame be ye nyina going forward
okay omo hwe mo
na omo hwe de nyame be ye nyina going forward no me ka me sra omo se radio interview no hey Sergio sama me yakotoko board anka minim se media for mu bi twantro
ntro oh asema na okay sa
mu twantro papa
nsema amamfo kana ombwa
sometimes so wa no bi afro anti Evelyn ti radio betie no hey yesi kotoko ye bi se hey ehwa na ma start se me yeko obi anu mo hwe enye no kore
decisions yes mo take a babonti na munye no kore
88%
mambe miensa wati o
but the mechanic mama eti mi bisa mo se ni tama na so me radio no
challenge o me ka se bo station radio me ka se
bo station bi
mama tise ka se what is asebui board discuss here by
Debbie board discuss she the mechanic
say na oti ya no kure
ba ko time no statement be ba me ka cho se jo we ni sana se kana na me ya
me ma ba ko pe
me ma ba ko but the American is
a no and this as one come Yamaka.
The Adam Catcher.
The walking guy say what is station we are coming in as here.
So my cabby Yachawaka. Because also Malaka. We are very sure, say, okay. Now a Mickey, not Daniel Denny, you're born in your bed, your minion news. Mickey, okay. Now I chill to school as well. Yeah, farmer. Yeah, farmer.
Okay. Maminja Evelyn Kwan. This is a publication from the Ghana Football Association.
May call Dr.
GF official publication. The Ghana Football Association Executive Council has named a 7-member committee for the Women's Premier League. Okay. So Idini Namopa. Okay. Officially, that is perfect. What is known. And the clubs are elite clubs. They say just almost they've named the Ghana Football Association has named a 7-member committee for the Women's Premier League. Some pay them.
And this is a Premier now.
Say the Ghana Football Association.
And Division 1.
Every team near Division 1.
Very good. And say Joe, send me
Premier.
Sikana baby bano. You see Premier when you're $15,000. And na Division 1.
And you're $10,000.
10. It's in Empire and say, I can't Division 1. 10,000. Bankadia, media, dear Bakuja, Uncle Kate. On say a mad team singing de biayete agojo bus binum. It is a scawy beswan, or my brand new bus back. Or dear Mayano, dear Becca, no Nanka tro 3 teams singing. Thank you.
Evelyn in Siasare, a board member Makumasi Asante Kotoko. Hey, position way. Osanso training was Sunyani technical university hona ababai or trade yo if you could be a team no so enedia ampim team no enedia ndi o shebo se munya botre board no munya botre ma omo na accident victims no enche kra omo beti board no enka Evelyn Insia Asare Dr. Grace Bodu ewo studio ha yene no betwetwe enkomo kakra na hefo no nye doctor Idini ye na hefo Domfe eh mamuju odi asem ntimi enti eno so eno no was happening omienu e wa ha yenko hwe de omo ede ebetu edwai every Grace Bodu sorry Dr. Grace Bodu na so afir mabodi ni ka Dog se boko die
Yehowa don se jo na so ye da Yehowa na se so ho ye
amafo hu anom ho ato
enya se me ke tora misum nya kwan ba se ya na mesoso me ho ato me because me say madofo e twen me na so munti ya na eto de wo se etimi nya mre kakra de hwe client ne kakra was busy ni ntia na eto do bo mo ba hwe me ya wo hu me it na wo se metimi e hwe wo mo kakra na anopai de me fa kwanya isu na ma che krura na otumfo se itiso abebi otosumi na won kwaso da bia me ka se e ka me 1 minute kwa wasa me de kasa mechi a wasa se chidom a wo de bo me no eso dodo na nchi akese akwa ama na kunadu yi adomotosumi ma me nya me nhira wo futuo ne mo a wo de bo Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services na nchi akese akwa ama me yankasa me ho kani na na jedi kumanyini amachi bare no therefore pia o onyame nhira obebri na se jo nya me ekoso wiase ya na arewo me say last week cases ba me ho me to wo se na misu cases are ekoso se nipa
doctor onya
patient se won nipa won na de be me ka say on say football ya dia woni je ho pa enti say ye bobo na wote ball ho bibia se de na woni sister ye ka wote say bibia pese wote ne ekoso enti wote say team bi ho no ma wadwene wo ma hwa wote ho asma wo yemutimi so bi kwatimi twahwe no ma wusa pepepe na adwuma a wo do no se wo se nipa bi hu ne ma bi na so mo jira wote mi hwe nipa ne case na wora ho ye the case bi bra woni say patient bi etima ko mi mbo ne din right but when him so called private and more woman life and yes more wo to say gogome watching for 6 good years omugu private nim na toda what one man or ye be mo beti sa se bibi na me bossa shosim obekọ washroom obe ro na mo ane wom na wayi na wafrashe obeda ne bed so obe sorry na bia na mo ane bigu ne bed so
wow
wo die echi na onim de ade ba ko mo kan se wo twa scan so wo hu mo ano but ono at wo hu sa abo ne bia be hye ne to na wapie hwe abrahosem hwe nipa ebubugo na ya na de ana em yakwa ne se onipa timi transit ni ebusiam se se de wo na do so dodo ne aka ne se ya atra so futimi jan so de mo opichi ana maka se de ase nipa ewudodo mo me mo mpaye mi hwan so nipa na ewudodo no aye ka no etie be anamon ya ye wo nipa ye de afa ho enipa na wo mani fra dodo no sa wo kwa IG ni sa ko hu nipa enya cataract ne glaucoma enka be hu sane me ekoso sa wo kwa diabetes unit sa ko hu so mo nya diabetes e mu nkra eni mu mema ne mu ma ka be hu ne ekoso kwa hypertension unit ena ko hu mo nya hypertension mu nkra nketwa emrantie a wo mu nya hypertension a sa wo kwa infertility unit pa na ko hu ma wo mo fa o mu ntimi nya yefunu ngo ba ebi menses kra emma ebi menses nso moje tu a na etu o ma enka woni pa ye be sha ase atena se adwene hu se edie ba adie na ekoso edie ba adie pa na ekoso da bia me kase se woni petimi nya akokuduro e de sekan etwa onantwie mena obetimi akum nipa Bible mu so yaka enye se bosirimika se woni penti so koma yanka ankramofo na no etwa nantwie mene no wono de sekan wonu nua kese ha no because ono nantwie kura wakuno na nipa but onipa ntimi trans mu say ho say onipa da sani me say ade ye different from onipa ene mmoa ne say onipa yetimi dwene hunu papa ene bone emmoa nim sa ade no eno nko ani difference asa ade bia wonipa wo ye bia abo timi je wonipa otimi ni be ma hia wonem abo so timi ni be ma hia wonem esusu ye hu sa abo bia wo infection na candidiasis bi ye hu da sa abrochire afa pep student adi pestine se esusu kra wonya abo freda na esusu die benti na ye musi ye hu sa ade bi wo hono mo ni pentimi sesa ne da sadia amafo timi transe yesima me no ma ha bandro yesima me no ma ha do mi busa se woni pentima transe aka se wo sesa nkyene da na ubetime hu sa ade bia ne ye fita sa wo ka hwe na nya nkyena wontimi sesa no wonni sa na hu ade bi sa ade no so ye sikira wo ka hwe na nya sikira nya de so betime adi enti ade a wonyankopon abono ni pentimi sesa no enipa carbon dioxide de free ye mu sa pepe ne free muam wo mo dia branch bi brem no epilepsy no mba ma na dru na mka chense mo fa ne ko fie na mo kwa mo ko pe na ntwe otia ho no ma
no twa
na nim say epilepsy adru amafo nim
okay
atwe dro kese otia no ma na etwa no so ni petimi ben ho no de ne sasa sa anua ne bi no de gu nsuom ye de dware ne for 7 days
ali adra ho atia yin
aboane tia fom nantwie tia fom a obotokro na no obude won sasa anua ne keke nantwie na ase anua na wonya de gu ensuom na de ma enipa no de dware on fa nsuo na nsi wo ade che on sa de for 7 days etwa ne dwara
de no ama me fa Dr. Grace entudwa Dr. Grace on me so
nantwie tia fom a
very good ye be cha nantwie woni ma bebre ene kotokro do na ye de nipa ekoni be mama fom se ene ma ekoso nya bosom enye hye
Dr. on me so na me fa Dr. Grace
na wo se nantwie tia fom
ma me fa
obi twa na ye de
ye be kana bebe so ho asem
ma me fa Dr. Grace number ntudwa Dr. Grace number nie aya 0246 51518 Dr. Grace number 0246 518-003 0244 126 123 0244 126 123 and NASA 0206 812 558 0206 812 558 Dr. Tuaso
meda se bebre na ntwe na ase anua no e ye twere dro bisa se nipa sei nanim because you need time kra na ye dey ben mo na kwa na ntwe miracles ba kwa waye no amanfo hu na de bia me ka se grace gift ye na me down sweet me to ntienti no ye ben abodie bia wonyankopon de ne nsa abo enipa bia obi o ma kaka timi ye no na ne se tutu nipa e bo 3 a wo ye de obeda ope mo 12 nyina etutu no emo no miensa no ewiase mabodie nyina ye din just about 3 na se opia bontia utimi say yes baby ye din so obi ye be for kwa na se about 3 no mfra tu ma wo ye de ye beche no e wo say emo no miensa no na te se bibia obi koye ye bia no ba bedru fie sa time na abo na ntwi oso no kwadwonso abo na ntwe na obi ada no sata no ahomache osoro no akwadwonso na resa obi bana so stroke da haban to from so nti aso a wotwene ho ana ni say bibi na nso so obi bubugu ho na se nipa no obogo so obi na eye na ntwe ono kwane abo so timi ne katrema ta frene hona no obi ne katrema ase say ya some people bi san katrema ase so obi bugu ho na hu ni say obi na eye na wotimi de ne nsa say efa katrema na se oya da within 3 minutes oba so na ejina ho enya bosom within 3 minutes abone be sorry na the miracle won kwasa sa na ntwe o ya abo na beben won na beben na etua so no so for person hu se wa ben a miracles bebre bi ye na ntwa bebe wo hwe o ye dugum sa ya anwampo a ye di fright on pona de gu na ntwa bebe ni ma wo hwe gu ni paso anti anto na chese bibi ni wiase wo de gu na bebe ni ma na hwe de peti ni pa no so wo ye de obeti ato
wo hwe from abebe ni ma na
wo hwe free form de gu abebe ni
me pa wo de gu abebe ni na so
na wo hwe de peti ni pa so ye de obeti ato form wo ye de obeti ato form oh yankopon abonye mebi wo senke ni petimi be sa ne ma no bebre na me pese me kasa kwa echi ba ton se ye hwe ye man panyi ni position ye hwe reverend osu be mpa wa bebe o de manya na ntwi ba te no so woni ni me no so woni ye me pa me be ka ho asem enti ye wo se ni petimi o so se okwadefo contact ya nchensua na akwan ne hu nyansa sa ne ma we na ye ne me wo so woni petimi hwe kotokro do aye kase de ya abasai dro no ye busa se kotokro do no obi ehun se kotokro do wa woda abo efe no kotokro do wonwo nanso kotokro do timi ye ne yonko kan ho bisa sa edai na kotokro do timi nya bi kotokro do ko chi abo efe no gogome no da kwa koto ni buom na wogina no so yesame ni sunu no yesame yesa obe ho an sa abo andam a no wafu abebe no so da no kotokro do enti nipa mi ensa asiensia sa ne ma no na ye hu se nyankopon ne tumi so ensa kyerene ekoso ne amema ne nya nipa wanwa mesisa obe meso a e ma ne nya wo se bibi ne wo be ma be ma no aye kese because onyankopon ne bo wo enye pa ene bowo enti se bibi betinya ye na ho atowa e ya haban ne de bedi dwuma mama make the number na
0244 126 123 0244 126 123 0246 518 003 0246 518 003 0206 812 558 Barekesi Road Oshim School Junction.
Okay.
Ohani biya Dr. Grace.
Ambassador na Hayford.
Buokwa ko Frudia son Dr. Wo.
Ngwami sejo.
Na bibi aboko.
Adom. Adom.
Ade anya de papa de anya de aboko ho. Mimi.
Sejo. Woni me wate.
Enunti na ode ho akobo Grace Gift.
Na ga no we come sorry about this way.
Wa kaso so mi nti we. Minimum
Minchia etiefo show na wuti osisia no kwasem se mi hunu de bibidro ya kase de akenga mi ni echirija nga me be ha me ho abohu de wura agede yi me kakra wanya me de ama me de nkanu a me danda aye eyi but me hu se de rade ede na no ebia kama na bembia tumi edi echire dan na mete wokra medwendwen nam se nipa kra timitia eduro so ebi obi eduro kra ye de aye no na enya no eba ebibiduro ya o hospital ye mpiepie ne nem na ye nyi ebibiduro ya nti ade na ye chi ye ho achinye na ye bu ebibiduro abofia na de eye megde eni se Dr. Grace Boadu epese nipa nyine hunu se de anyame aye bia tumi ewom se wonim se de esififa na wuji ho achinye na Dr. Grace Boadu de onim se we me de two way so a ebeye se we me de two way so ebema be ma bia ne be ma fon ehonam aba ho na etimi abo bere ye busu afa mo fa jame ade enche na so ese ese chemi na ye ka ebema obaby etimi atede obema obaby na tinka ati kono onhu ne nioma ye no etimi esiesie no enti di ameka ne se tumi ewe ebibidro mu na Dr. Grace Boadu onu no nim sa hani nubule said yesi ekeka efe
said minim say emre na so ya na time ni so but ya na besa manfo hu se sa akra so yetimi dware na duru na no wa yeden nyemu sa senke dware na mo fabrem na osa ene de habe what say de abrofo duro bi dware akra abra osa ama no wa yeden ye de haban na dware so onyinim so a wo pa ma ne bumfu ne so no muhwe no ho be woro te se nkruma no na de enti na ni peji ho achinji ye tena wa agide sa na ntwia na dwonso cancer do me kai be won kakra na ntwedwun so pe na ntwedwun so na fasi jaso be dane oil be dane anwa amom se bibi wo wiase cancer do dane oil ni we cancer do am find capsule shells ayeton but nipa nim ye pese ma manfo mu se munji tumindi se bibi e wo wiase de bi nyankopon bo bi tumi wo so e ti se wo be giedie ansa na wo se bibi wo no eti wo ba ye no wo se date yes bebre Grace Gift ma ho da bia sa de kan nipa na doso se say kwa social distance it yes stress wo fa number na yes wo be kan wo problem na kire ye ni ama wo data wo de beba yes bebre why da mas
okay ya da se pa hey we di no man na wiase o Grace Bodu, Doctor, Edasipa, you know, to send a Obasan Abba Ebium. Yan Twaswe, Didi, Yansaka message in free, Kumada Senior High School. I know Kumasi Asante Kotoko will settle the accident victims one day. But in life, the timing of everything is very important. Boss, I've listened to Nana Bechi and can't imagine any amount of money that can make him forget about the agony. He has passed the agony he has passed through in the last 3 years. A very sound Nana Bechi, out of pain and frustration, had to pull down his trousers in front of the camera. Wow! Just for the whole world to see what he went through serving Asante Kotoko. Unpalatably, an appeal for funds was done for him on air. Kumasi Asante Kotoko is a respectful institution and a household name in Africa and beyond. So, in the era of social media, trending on negative and shameful news is deadly, most especially the internet. Doesn't forget us, we humans do. Okay, we if you did it, Akumadan, Kofi Champon, Mekako Fami commercial, ABO. Said I'm once I know me uncle far any commercial. Now was Sibian Kadiba Tubia quickly. Oh no, doors, yeah. Intimate conversations about you.